In this video, I will share some important information about phlegm or mucus. Phlegm refers to the substance that comes from your lungs. I will explain how you can determine the cause of its color and why it forms. Additionally, I will introduce a natural remedy that can reduce this mucus and, with regular use, even help eliminate it permanently. Our body naturally produces about 1 liter of mucus every day. This is part of our body's defense system, a protective mechanism that prevents external viruses and bacteria from entering. Mucus traps these invaders, or if dust particles are inhaled, it stops them from reaching our cells. It forms a layer on the tissues of our airways, keeping them moist and lubricated. This layer prevents the airways from drying out and blocks viruses and bacteria from reaching the cells. That's why when you are sick, when an illness or infection starts, or when a virus or bacteria attacks, the production of mucus increases. This is actually a natural defense response of your body to protect you from illness. The body starts producing more mucus. Now, if the mucus or phlegm is clear or transparent, it could be a sign of an allergy or the beginning of a disease, or even asthma. If the color is yellow, it indicates an infection in the airways or lungs. The yellow color comes from the white blood cells present, which show that your body is actively fighting off the infection. If the color is green, the infection is likely more severe, indicating a serious condition. If the mucus is dark or black, it might be a sign of a fungal infection. In smokers, brown or gray phlegm is common due to excessive cigarette smoking. It can also occur if your body is continuously exposed to dust or air pollution, meaning you are in an environment where the air is not clean most of the time. If the phlegm is pink or reddish, this indicates the presence of blood. This often happens due to dryness in the airways, and a deficiency in vitamin C or D may cause it. In rare cases, this could also be a sign of lung cancer or tuberculosis. However, many people make the mistake of self-medicating by taking over-the-counter drugs. Often, they become frustrated when these medications stop working after a few days. I want to explain why this happens. These medicines fall into 2 categories. One type suppresses mucus, and the other thins it out and helps it clear from the body. If you're suppressing the mucus, you are just holding the infection in your body for a longer time without addressing it. The infection stays in the body, weakening the immune system, and over time, this further compromises the immune defense. Also, regular use of these drugs can lead to side effects like vomiting, nausea, heart issues, diarrhea, and constipation. Prolonged use can even cause kidney stones, so I advise against self-medication and taking medications without a doctor's guidance. Instead, I will share a natural remedy with you today. The ingredients are likely already available at your home, and they are all natural, so there are no side effects. You can safely use them. It's actually a combination remedy with very basic ingredients: water, onion, honey, and lemon. Onion is a natural mucus thinner. It contains quercetin, which reduces inflammation. When inflammation reduces, phlegm production decreases. Onion also contains vitamin C, a powerful immune booster that strengthens our immune system, which is responsible for fighting infections. Additionally, onion contains sulfur, which helps in controlling cough, particularly viral cough. You can consume raw onion or blend it into juice. Strain it with cloth, and you will need just 1 tablespoon of onion juice. Next is honey. Use pure honey. Honey helps control cough, reduces inflammation, and has antimicrobial properties, meaning it can fight harmful microbes. It also boosts immunity and strengthens our immune system. Some studies even consider honey a natural antibiotic. In the past, honey was used as an ointment for wounds because it naturally contains hydrogen peroxide, which is an excellent antiseptic. Thus, honey helps the body fight infections and reduce mucus. For this remedy, you need 1 tablespoon of honey. The third ingredient is lemon juice. Squeeze lemon and use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The citric acid in lemon helps break down and thin mucus, making it easier for the body to expel. Lemon also contains vitamin C, which further strengthens the immune system. Mix these 3 ingredients into a glass of lukewarm water and drink it 3 times a day. If your mucus issue is related to acidity, you can add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to this mixture. You can also add grated ginger to create a potent herbal tea. These ingredients are all natural, and this herbal tea will help ease your mucus production and relax your digestive system. Another beneficial food is radish. It contains sulfur, which helps draw mucus from deep tissues. For dry cough or chest congestion, you can also include calcium in your diet. Another crucial point is that lung exercises are very important in dealing with this issue. It's essential to practice light exercises daily because deep breathing helps increase mobility in the diaphragm, making it easier for mucus to move and exit the body. Try this remedy and share your experience in the comment section. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.